Now let's show the horizontal method for subtracting polynomials. Okay, the only difference between this and adding is, of course, that negative. And when we have a negative, we need to apply it to all the other terms in the parentheses that follows it. So that's the most key important thing when we're doing this. So let's rewrite it out and making sure that we apply that negative across the board. X squared minus 8x minus x minus 9. Similarly to before, we find the like terms. There is no x squared like term. However, there is a negative 8x and a positive, and a negative x. Those are like terms. And then that negative 9 has no other similar terms. So really, we're just looking at the middle here. So x squared minus 9x minus 9. Now let's do it in the vertical method. Same concept. We're moving that negative over so we don't get confused. But there's also a spacing thing because we want to make sure and line up the like terms. So in this case, we're going to have x squared minus 8x. And then we're going to put that negative x underneath here. We're not going to start flush with the end because that could get confusing. And then we're going to have a little blank space. And so we're adding these down, and as you can see, there's no space here and there's no term there, and so we're just going to bring them straight down without changing them, just like we did before. And you get the same answer.